this is why I love V-WAP so much, right? Touch, 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 touch. Tried to, kept going. You see this? Yeah, this is why V-WAP is the most important indicator out of everything. This is why I laugh all the time and I tell you guys you could take away everything. You can get rid of the MAs. You can get rid of everything on my screen. Super Trend, I don't even use it. I don't care about any of that stuff. All I need is V-WAP. That's it. There is nothing better for trading at all. Now, when we put them all together, it all makes sense. But this is why I put so much weight on that. I wanted to show you guys this too this morning. So I saw this POL pop, right? This thing ran up. And again, V-WAP, V-WAP came up, broke, V-WAP, and now it's riding. This is what I wanted to show you guys. This is so critical all the time. This is going to save your asses constantly. Double tops, double bottoms, triple tops, triple bottoms. You hear me talk about them all day, every day, and how to trade off them. The other big major thing to this is not only are we trading right when it touches these areas so we can ride them down, but what a lot of times will happen is you don't realize it because you guys will get FOMO, fear of missing out, is if you don't see where this was, and this was driving to the top, and you just blindly bought in, then it knife drops, right? Now, this one's easy because you can see it all on the same screen. The problem we run into is if this was previous day or previous day high or pre-market high, and you didn't realize you were on a double top, and you're sitting here buying up here, and maybe over here, right, is where it touched and came down, and you weren't looking over here. All you saw is, yeah, this is flying up. This is awesome. And you get in a knife drop and go, every time I get in, it goes against me. It's because you're just not paying attention. That's all that really is. Right here. Look how close this is. This is a double top. Can everybody see this? So let's say you weren't looking at this area and you were buying in and you're like, oh, this is good. It popped above V-WAP. It touched. I'm going to get into this thing. You get in it late and you get in somewhere in here and then you're like, oh, man. That's because all you needed to do was back out to right there. Right there is going to tell you where we're going to start to run into a problem, right?
Yep.
So this is why I tell you guys, yep, all the time to be watching for these levels, and then it'll come up later and it'll touch it again and it'll come up later. It'll touch it again. And then it might consolidate or pop through and then do one of these on a retest. And then we can hammer it to the upside. But until then, it's always, always, always puts on resistance. Here, 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 until it shows us otherwise, right?